Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello?
Alright, he went in that front door there.
This one right here?
Yeah, with a chainsaw.
Okay.
Running chainsaw. He tried to cut that tree
He
down.
went into that door right there?
Yeah, that front entrance door.
This one with the pillars?
Yes.
The white pillars?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do me a favor and just hang out here for a second? Okay.
1358.
Hello.
Tell me to send the log out to someone else.
Just hold it for now.
10-4.
How long ago did he go in there? Okay. Okay. Hey! Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know, he came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call to business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open.
I'm calling me a cat.
10-4.
He went that way.
Units didn't come in. Can you step it up? Hey!
Inconvenience.
Hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground.
When you're upstairs, someone be one for St. Charles.
Get back! Get back! Hey, drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. Drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
Oh my god.
Hey, drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
1393. Can you 10-9?
Ah, shit.
I got one at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Subject in the front lobby.
You want me to leave? Yes.
Step it up!
I'm leaving here without my lady. Where is she?
Step it up!
Where's my...
Drop it!
Dude, I just want my wife, man. I just want...
Listen, man.
I don't want to...
Taser up one! Taser! Hey! Hey!
Where is he?
Hey, right here! He's right here! He's right here!
1393.
Come on. Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, oh, you gotta do it. Oh, what the?
Shots fired!
Shots fired.
Attention all Irish units. We're going to St. Charles.
Drop it!
Northwest Avenue.
Get him over! Get him over!
North Avenue in St. Charles. Attention all
Get him over.
special attention St. Charles units. Shotgun dispatching of shots fired at 975 Northwest Avenue. We're going to St. Charles. Responding as acknowledged with ETA.
Here we go.
2137 en route.
Come on. Watch out, move your... Shit. Hey, hey. Get out of here. Come on, buddy. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Gotcha. Roll medics. Woo! Hey, right here! He's right here! He's right here!
Come on! Get him out! Come here! He's on the other side. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, you gotta do it! Oh! Oh, your hands up! What the?
Shots fired!
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Attention all outreach units. We're St. Charles, 905 block of Northwest Avenue, 905 North Avenue, St. Charles. Attention all outreach units, special attention St. Charles units. Tricom dispatching a shots fired at 905 Northwest Avenue, everybody in St. Charles. Responding as acknowledging ETA. 2137 en route. 3 minutes.
Come on. Watch out, move your...
Okay, all right. Shit. All right.
Hey, get out of here. Come on, buddy. Come here, come here, come here. Come here.